what's up? It's Teacher. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me video, and I'm wearing my skin looks like trash. I got a friend here, and a bunch of friends up there, and of course it's on like a day where like I need my skin to look good because I haven't made one in 10 years, so I figured a holiday is the perfect time to do it. The fit of the day: Forever 21 sweater, pink bra, American Eagle jeans, and Forever 21 turtle socks because I just gotta represent animals. So first thing, if I didn't wash my hair last night so it's looking a bit rough, is I'm gonna get my Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. Oh, his name's Ramo. And I never did a video on him because I'm lazy. And that's really the only reason. Oh, Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray. I'm not even gonna... Oh my god, I have to sneeze too. Thought it was going to, so I like braced myself for the pain, and then there was no pain. And my phone, close my toilet, because if my phone falls, it's going straight into the toilet. And I feel like I'm in a K-pop music video, like, sorry. Okay, no one gets that? Okay. Makeup time, and I know it's not spooky season anymore, so I apologize for the dark lighting. Just put some cocoa butter Vaseline on my lips, so that's like cool, trendy. I don't know, I just see Vaseline everywhere and I'm like, gotta use it, you know. My skin doesn't feel dry, but I know that could change. Okay, I'd rather have to dab it for it being too greasy than to have it look like crap because it's dry and I can't do anything about it. I'm just gonna put it kind of everywhere. I already kind of damped this. It's a bit like drier now, but it's fine. And then I'm gonna get my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. I'm not good at this. Like, I'm not a pro. And I probably didn't pronounce that name right for the brand. I don't know what I'm doing, and it's kind of frightening me what I am doing. So, a sister is not looking good right now. A sister looks so much better in the summer because even though I'm a ginger, I tan. I don't know why you guys watch this if you wanted a tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing. For once in my adolescent life, I just want to look good and I don't want my... Are they two different colors? Oh, definitely. Most definitely they are. That was an embarrassing 5 minutes of me trying to look good. I'm putting on powder over it. Yeah. I need to step up my game. Oh, now I'm putting on a bronzer I've had, and I can't even read the label since I was like 10. I'm just kidding. Since I was like 13 maybe. So yeah, I'm sorry that you have to watch this, honestly. And this little thing that like I broke a long time ago has Vaseline on the end, on the eyebrow end, and I always put a little bit on. So when I need to get my eyebrows into shape, because I don't fill in my eyebrows, because like a sister has some decent eyebrows, and I also don't do anything like ever to my eyebrows, so should I probably get them waxed? Yeah, but am I going to? No. And that's just the reality of it. Why did I just do that? Okay, time to get out my eyeshadow brushes. Because do I look good? No. But am I going to try to change that? Yes. The 15N Nightmaster 350 Nature Glow. The Nature Glow is my favorite one. It's like this. Like, it's like, how do people do it? Oh, that works. Holy crap. It's like a fluffy, I don't, okay. And I'm going to grab Custom in the Nightmaster palette. I'm gonna put that on the base of my eyelid and just kind of put it all over. Top left shade and the Nature Glow palette. And I'm gonna put that in my, I forget what it's called, in the inner corner. I don't remember. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but for eyeshadow, my inner crease, I like do that and I kind of like brush it. Does it get in your eye? Sometimes, yeah. Right here for... I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did with the first color. I'm going to grab this tiny little brush. I'm going to go with this less vibrant orange, the second one. It's on the last row. It's my dog. And I'm gonna put this in my outer V, I think is what this is called. This is honestly a look. I'm gonna blend upwards. See how I'm blending upwards? Yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, this brown color, put it in my crease. We're doing it. Don't eat my eyeshadow. He just licked my eyeshadow. He licked it. He saw it. And he licked it. That's gross and unsanitary, so definitely not gonna be using that color. Looks like this. It's like a diamond head. Same color. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna put it under my eye. Yep, and I'm gonna grab this brush. I'm gonna grab that brighter orange from before, right here. And that space that we haven't done anything to besides apply base colors is where we're putting it. And that orange from before, the kind of duller one, I'm gonna put it in my outer V again, except this time not in a shape. I'm just gonna kind of plop it there. Like this, like you see? Yeah. And I'm gonna kind of blend it, I guess. And this is looking actually good. I'm a bit shook. This color in the bottom right corner. I'm gonna put it underneath where we put that brown before. Alright, I really like that. Okay, yep, we're doing it. Hi, Bean. And I'm actually pretty proud of myself. And the Velvet Volume false lash effect. I'm gonna go with that. Make a really stupid face when I do mascara. It's fine. Please don't judge me. Okay. Fix that. Lipstick. I'm not done. It's Ginger Spice 815 L'Oreal color. Do I like this? No. The lip pencil. This is MAC and the color is Spice. I don't like MAC because I test on animals, but this is something that my mom gave to me, so it was already bought. So, Oatmeal Beige from Forever 21. Not gonna lie, I have no shame. I think I used this like once, but now twice. And this is, I don't even know. Actually, there's like nothing on it. Oh, there is. ColourPop. I'm done. This looks good. This looks good, and I'm actually kind of surprised. I love this. I'm gonna take pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed watching because I actually had a lot of fun filming, and this makeup look looks really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and to subscribe for more videos. My name is DJ Verba, and I'll see you all later. Bye!